Since the dawn of humanity, there remains a group who is persistently abused and marginalized. If animals could talk, their chorus of cries would drown out every other sound in the world. We are all animals. We are all living, breathing beings who share the same earth. We all feel pain and suffer when we are hurt or deprived of our lives, our families, our freedom. We all have the right to experience kindness, compassion, and dignity. We believe in the kinship of all beings and the possibility for us to coexist in peace and harmony on planet Earth. Considering that all living beings on planet Earth came originally from the same source and follow the same evolutionary principles. Considering that all living beings on planet Earth inhabit the same land, sea, and air, and therefore share them and their resources to live within and to live off of, compromising one ecological system.
Considering that all living beings on planet Earth came originally from the same source and follow the same evolutionary principles.
Considering that all beings are known to humankind are sentient beings and therefore can feel pain, pleasure, sensations, feelings, and emotions.
Considering that all living beings possess the same basic needs to survive, to seek happiness and avoid pain, to live comfortably, to create families and other social structures.
We hereby proclaim that we hold these truths to be self-evident, that all beings are created equal and have a right to life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness.
Therefore, all earthlings have the same natural right to exist as any other living being.
All animals have the right to be free, to live their lives on their own terms as intended by nature.
All animals have the right to eat, sleep, be physically and psychologically comfortable, be mobile, healthy, safe, and fulfill all of their natural and essential needs. As such, all animals are to be free from hunger, thirst, and malnutrition, physical discomfort and exhaustion, confinement against their will, pain, injury, and disease, fear and distress, and free to express their normal patterns of behavior.
Animals are not the property or commodity of humans, and are not theirs to use for their benefit or sustenance. Therefore, they are free from slavery, exploitation, oppression, victimization, brutality, abuse, and any other treatment that disregards their safety, own free will, and dignity. They should not be slaughtered for food, killed for their skins, experimented on, killed for religious purposes, used for forced labor, abused and killed for sport and entertainment, abused for commercial profit, hunted, persecuted, or exterminated for human pleasure, need, or other ends.
Humans shall do whatever is within their means to protect all animals. Any animal who is dependent on a human has the right to proper sustenance and care, and shall not be neglected, abandoned, or killed.
Today we call for the protection of these rights. They must be recognized and defended by law, as human rights are. Any act which compromises the well-being or survival of an animal or species, or jeopardizes, contradicts, or deprives an animal or species of the rights listed above should be deemed a crime and should be punished accordingly. In witness thereof, this declaration is hereby signed Sunday, July 24th, 2016, the 6th National Animal Rights Day in the city of New York, the United States of America.